Football, often called the beautiful game, is more than just a sport. It is a language spoken by millions around the world, regardless of race, culture, or nationality. The sight of a ball being passed, the roar of the crowds, the emotion of victory and the heartbreak of loss, all of this makes football a powerful and universal experience that touches hearts and unites people. From small villages to major cities, from dusty streets to grand stadiums, football lives everywhere. Children play it barefoot, dreaming of one day becoming stars. Adults gather in cafés and homes, discussing matches, analyzing goals, and celebrating their favorite teams. It is a game that enters daily life, not merely something to watch, but something to feel and live. The excitement of football lies in its simplicity. You only need a ball to play. There is no need for expensive equipment or complex tools. This simplicity makes it a sport accessible to everyone, and perhaps this is why it has become the sport of the masses. It offers joy without requiring anything in return, only passion. Moreover, football teaches values that are essential in life. It teaches teamwork, because no player can win alone. It teaches discipline, because training is the foundation of strength and skill. It teaches perseverance, for matches are never won without effort. And above all, it teaches respect, respect for teammates, opponents, referees, and the game itself. The stadium is like a world of emotion. When the whistle blows and the players step onto the field, everything else disappears. Fans stand side by side, chanting, cheering, and supporting. In those moments, differences fade, social, economic, or cultural. Everyone becomes equal, united by one dream, to see their team win. Some matches live forever in memory. A last-minute goal can become a story told for generations. A brilliant save can become a legend. Players rise from humble beginnings to become world icons, inspiring others that dreams can indeed come true. Football is not just entertainment, it is passion, identity, and belonging. It builds friendships, strengthens communities, and sometimes even heals nations. It is a game that has the power to bring joy to the sad, hope to the hopeless, and pride to the humble.